The Capacitors in Series interactive calculator helps you analyze series capacitor circuits with multiple calculation modes. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the dropdown. You can choose Calculate Equivalent Capacitance, calculate individual voltage drops, calculate stored energy, find required C1 for target CEQ, ESR effects on series capacitors, or quality factor and impedance analysis. For this demo, I'm using Calculate Equivalent Capacitance. Next, choose your unit from microfarads, nanofarads, picofarads, or farads. I've selected picofarads. Set the number of capacitors between 2 and 6. Enter your capacitor values in the fields C1 through C6 as needed. For our example, I'll use 3 capacitors with C1 at 100 picofarads, C2 at 220 picofarads, and C3 at 470 picofarads. After clicking Calculate, the results show an equivalent capacitance of 59.977 picofarads, which converts to 0.000060 microfarads. The calculator displays each input value and provides the reciprocal sum of 1.6673 E plus 10 inverse farads. Notice the helpful note stating that series CEQ is always less than the smallest individual capacitor. In this case, 60.0% of the smallest value. Find the link in the description below.